There's messages that actually resonate right across the piece, fundamentals about how it is to be growing up, the importance of respect in a very accountable society.
Because I've been charged through the courts and the police with a hate crime, it means that now I've got a criminal record and it's going to really impact on the things that I do in the future, innit? You get me?
I find with the SLD learners you get a great deal of interactivity. You find that their personalities come to the fore. They want to join, want to participate. So I think you find that these kind of sessions can be quite euphoric and quite celebratory. We're talking about safety and security and trust and those basics that actually make our young people feel safe in their college environment.
We only hate if we're brought up to hate.
Those who seek to teach young people about social media need to listen, not speak, because they know much more than we do. And they are the advocates. They're the ones who spot the trends, the Snapchat maps and WhatsApp groups and so on. Ghosting, all those things that we learn from students. SSLD students have taught us a few things this morning, and that sort of nails it, doesn't it, really?
Yes, it does.